Hello everyone, welcome to Savjanic Books. Today we will discuss about COVID-19, its impact and changes that had occurred after the lockdown. Coronaviruses are a large family of viruses which may cause illness in humans. In humans, several coronaviruses are known to cause respiratory infections ranging from the common cold to more severe diseases such as Middle East Respiratory Syndrome, MERS, and Severe Acute Respiratory Syndrome, SARS. The most recently discovered coronavirus causes coronavirus disease, that is COVID-19. COVID-19 infections now evident in more than 200 countries. The pandemic is most significant threat to humanity since the Second World War. People can catch COVID-19, they breathe in these droplets from a person who is infected. This is why it's important to stay at least 1 meter away from others. These droplets can land on objects and surfaces around the person such as tables, doorknobs, and handrails. People can become infected by touching these objects or surfaces, then touching their eyes, nose, or mouth. 3 months ago, reports surfaced out of China that a cluster of pneumonia cases in the central city of Wuhan may be due to a new type of coronavirus. The World Health Organization (WHO) said at the time it was still assessing the extent of outbreak but noted there were no reports of novel coronavirus outside Wuhan. Since then, the situation has changed drastically. More than 1.6 million people have been infected across the globe and more than 100,000 people have died. Lockdowns have been ordered in numerous countries. Life for some is a standstill while frontline workers are facing a frightening new normal. Here are some of the biggest impacts and the ways how the life has changed. First, improve in air quality index AQI. Delhi before and after lockdown, since the Janata curfew on March 22 till now, there has been a significant dip in the air quality index across the country. Second, the Himalayan ranges seen after 30 years. The Himalayan ranges Dhauladhar visible from Jalandhar, Punjab. With the reduction of air pollution due to the lockdown, people in Punjab can see Himalayan ranges from more than 100 miles away. Third, no traffic in Bangalore. Silk Board Junction without any traffic, with companies asking their employees to work from home. It has reduced vehicle on the road. The famous Silk Board Junction, known for the worst traffic jam in Bangalore, was empty due to lockdown. Fourth, reduction of air pollution in Bangkok. Bangkok before and after lockdown. Only a month ago, schools were closed in Bangkok due to an increase in air pollution. With the lockdown, the air quality has improved mainly due to the fall in road traffic. Fifth, clean water in Yamuna. River Yamuna before and after lockdown, with the stoppage of industrial wastage and pollutants to Yamuna river, there has been a positive effect on the water quality of the river. Sixth, pollution-free Taj Mahal. Taj Mahal before and after lockdown. With the reduction of air pollution in Agra due to the lockdown, Taj Mahal looks much vibrant in clean air. Seventh, drinking water from Ganga. River Ganga before and after lockdown. With the lockdown and reduction of water pollution in many states of India, the water of Ganga river is now fit for drinking after necessary treatment. 8th, swans return to Venice canals. Swans in Venice canals. Swans can be seen in Venice canals after the nationwide lockdown was imposed by government due to the coronavirus outbreak in the country. 9th, animals roam freely on streets. In several cities and several national and state highways, animals were seen roaming freely by passing passengers. Trains were not on the track after years as they were on track even the time of World War. In poor communities where many individuals share a single room and depends on going to work to put food on the table, the call for social isolation will be very difficult if not possible to adhere to. Around the world, as individuals lose their incomes, we should accept rapidly rising homelessness and hunger. Corona has affected many lives in negative aspects, whereas it had benefited few industries like farm industries and distilleries manufacturing alcohol-based sanitizers and hand washes. Companies manufacturing personal protection equipment kit are also boosted. End up this video with the hope that you all will be healthy, fit and fine. Savjanic Books is an online platform which offers you book summaries of all best-selling books in Hindi, and here you get all the books delivered to your doorstep without any delivery charges. Hope you like the video. Hit like and share with your friends. If you are new to our channel, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.